And we're back, gunners. And we're back, gunners. Keep gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
And we're back, gunners. How's everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're at in the world. Today we are going to try, use these. Try to find these, yeah. Today we're gonna try to make Kobe into a roller. Maybe get him outside, do some more stuff to the car. I hope you guys are in tuned. I hope you guys are subscribed. I hope you have your bells on, your notifications. Don't forget to like the video. Give you 5 seconds to like the video. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Let's start the vlog for today. Keep going. Since I have no rims yet, these are the original tires that came with the car. So again, we're not looking to win a car show yet. Not yet. Not yet. I tightened up the ball joint here. I just made sure all this stuff was tight. I'm going to tighten up the fork. This camber is moving, so I'm going to tighten up the camber as much as I can. 40's just going to find some lug nuts just for us to use on the wheels. And hopefully we'll have it outside in a jiffy. Here, what's good? Okay. Right now I'm just tightening up this camber. There's no specific, I just made sure I can put one finger inside there. Pause. Pause though. I said pause. So, nothing special. Just put one finger in there, pretty much even in the middle. This definitely, this is just so it doesn't move once the wheel is on. I also have to tighten up that top ball joint. It's pretty hard to vlog right now using the camera. So, alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I got to get off this camera. I'm going to tighten this guy up, It's still loose. Tighten up the fork right here. Just bring it up. You see it's off by a little bit. And just get the suspension tight enough to where when what's up. So gunners, this guy's tight, the upper ball joint, the adjustability here on this arm is tight. Tightened up this sucker over here, the ball joint is tight on the bottom. Not too much worried about this. That could stay loose, it's not going to back out. And same thing on this side. So we're almost ready. Oh, you know what, 40? Oh, look, we got to check the tie rods. We almost missed it. So we got to tighten the tie rod, 17. So we'll tighten up the tie rod, put an axle nut on here, and just get it outside. I can't believe Kobe's about to become a roller, man. I cannot believe it. It's surreal. It's surreal how far we've come, man. It's surreal how far we've come. But every day, guys, we do it together. We work together. We show the progress together. Every nut and bolt you guys have been able to keep up with. If you're new to the channel, watch this guy cut me off. If you're new to the channel, or you're trying to learn something on my channel, I put everything in playlists. So go to the playlist, read the description, and maybe it's something you're looking for. Lexan windows, lightweight reduction, simple K-swaps. We've done a lot on this channel. I thank you guys for being here with me. So we're going to tighten up these guys and try to get this car on the ground. Can you believe we are a roller? Here we go, gunners, moment of truth. I got the car in gear so it doesn't roll back, but here we are. I hope I tightened everything correctly, but I am super excited to see this. Let me give you a better angle right here. We're about to be on the ground. Wow. Oh, he's low. Oh, he low. This car is low. Woo, look at my boy, how low he is. Oh, my boy's stunting right now. My boy is stunting. That's it. We're gonna roll this guy outside, let him get some sun. I got a lot of adjustments to do on these coilovers. They are tucked, guys. They are tucked. Yeah, granted, I know we're on 14s, but we're wow, look how low this car is. All right, 40. Let's open up that door and get Kobe outside. Brakes good. Yeah. Got good brakes. Wow, he's low, man.
Oh my God. Woo. He's outside. Oh shit.
There he is.
I think it want number for me. I think it want.
Oh, you want a ticket too?
It want ticket for me.
Oh man, imagine 40 wins this. 40 gonna be cruising in here. It looks so beautiful outside. This color has just been in the dark so long. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's it. It's official, man. Kobe rolls. Brakes decent. We're gonna have to probably just bleed him one more time. First thing I tested was the brake pedal. We got pressure there, but yeah, he is outside. I can't wait for Trappy to get here. I'm not gonna tell him nothing yet until he sees it outside. Yeah. When everything's done, 40. Oh yeah. I really can't get enough of this car outside right now. So, but sitting inside of it, it just feels so good. These seats, this car is going to drive so nice. I think this seat has to go up a little bit in the back. It's more like laid back like this right now. I don't know, some people whoever wins the car, they can adjust it however way they want. But I'd like to maybe leave this one reclining like a little bit back. But the driver, I'd really like for the driver to be like kind of like up here, so the shifter. It's kind of like, see, you're like laid back. You're gonna have to get up a little bit, and if you have your straps on, it's gonna be kind of hard to move. So maybe a little bit forward. But the transmission sounds like butter. This thing is gonna shift so good. I'm gonna surprise you guys with the stock shifter. So a few things to discuss. I'd like to get a nice little tablet radio. I've been searching up. I've been getting some good advice for some gunners. I just want to get the right one the first time. Spoke to the body shop today. They're going to start painting the other parts, so maybe we can get the doors on, the flat. Can you guys believe? Hold on. So my biggest thing is I can't wait to see the flat moldings. Like that is, I don't know if it's weird. I just can't wait to like actually clip those flat moldings on, because they're going to be all yellow. So the fender, the door, and the quarter panel obviously are going to have the JDM flat moldings. And I just, like, I can't wait to see that part. But also can't wait for Trappy to get here so I can surprise him. But when we get the rim, man, I mean, you can see that yellow already. It's going to look good. It's going to look good, whatever rim we go with. But what a journey this has been, and I love every bit of it. So we got Kobe back inside the trap. How you think it looked when you came in here?
Beautiful.
Did you think it was gonna be outside?
Nah, I didn't think it was gonna be outside.
Get the car. Where we outside? Get the car back on the lift. We're gonna have to start game planning what we're gonna do next. I believe since we've got the engine harness here, maybe we can start on that tomorrow. But we're gonna definitely have to go get some power wire so we can run it from the alternator starter, etc. stuff into the fuse box, and then go from there. But we're really trying to, get this car 200% before it goes to spoon. So this part of the video is for the guys that have saved money and purchased the same brake tuck as me. This is the Stash Auto brake tuck. This comes with its own Willwood proportioning valve. Now some of you are probably like, all right, I've been waiting for Aki to explain this so I can figure out where to put it. So if you're running discs, front and rear, obviously, front, I know, don't make fun of me. Rear discs, you need this all the way out. So take it to your left to where there's more thread out, right? Now, at this setting, you've officially become 60-40. Now, if you want to stop the car a little harder, as you're driving, you're going to dial this in to your right. Your brakes in the back are going to begin to lock up. And then that's when you're going to know that you've put too much.
Yeah, you never want those rear wheels to lock up.
So what you don't want them to do is lock up like as if you pulled your emergency brake, because what's going to happen is the death slide is going to happen, and you don't want that to happen.
It's
so
tough to wheel out of those. It's tough to wheel out of
you know what you got to do to wheel out of that? Give it more gas. Give it more gas. So your proportioning valve, if you are running rear discs, you're going to go all the way out. 60-40, that's all the way out. If you're running drums in the rear, you should be at 50-50. So you want to turn this a little bit more if you have drums in the rear. We'll be able to fine tune this guy a little bit better when we start driving it, Trappy. So again, huge shout out to Stash Auto. My boy Stefan, man, he's been a great guy, a great help, a great part of this build. Reach out to them, see if they can still give you the gunner discount. But remember, 60-40 is all the way out. If you want the car to stop harder, you can start turning it as you're driving and seeing how the brake feels. Keep going. Shout out to Downstar, as usual. Sent me the hardware for the seats. So we're about to bless that open. He also sent me the hardware. Sorry about the fan. He also sent me the hardware for the traction bar. Look at that, nice purple. Can't wait to see how that looks on there. Let's tackle that seat, Trappy. That's a nice. That replaces that back 14 on your seats, and then we've got the front ones that replace the 12s.
Oh, I like how Frank went bigger size with the washers.
Yeah.
Same. That's nice.
It's drippy.
Detail.
That's drippy. So we'll take out those regular bolts we used for mock-up in there, and then replace them with the purple drip. Ooh, that purple's gonna look nice on that black post. Oh. You hear me knocking? Well, let me in. That's your God. Oh, wow.
That's fine.
Wowie.
That's a touch. Good touch.
I like to. Bolts in on both sides. Was a little tough. It was a little tough. Sneak this guy back on. Probably have to loosen the seat again or no?
I got this.
Putting in that hardware now for the took out clean OEM bolts. Yeah, you guys are looking to upgrade like your engine bay and stuff. Frank does some real good stuff, man. Frank, he can damn near make any bolt. So just reach out to Downstar. I always tag them like in whatever I can on social media, but I took this suggestion from a couple of gunners. They said keep this black, keep this raw silver to match the arms, and maybe just put some purple dress up hardware here. And we matched it up with the zinc also. So good suggestion to you. Good suggestion from you gunners in the comments, man. I appreciate it. I'm listening. Trust me, I'm listening. just wrap this one up and we're done for today, man. It's been a long day, man. It's been a long day. I hate the heat. I hate the heat. I miss my hoodie. Right, Trappy?
This is trash.
Yeah, it's way too. It's just way too much. Long day, Trap. I'm telling you. Been a long one. Ain't gonna kill it. We're gonna take this off anyway. That's it. Looks great on there.
Yo, real quick, if you had to bring back one Atlanta rapper, Lil Scrappy or Young Jock?
A little scrappy.
You remember when you was on that show and you said I put the pose on?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Miss Lil Scrappy. Lil Scrappy, man.
The honors on the last one. This is our last clip right here, boys.
Touch, Frank. Good
Look where this guy goes. Oh, you a bad man, Frankie. Frankie, baby, BB.
Stop playing with
Damn,
Kobe,
baby.
man.
I love it, man. I hope you notice this detail later. Yeah, man, what a day. Long, long day, man. I know I said it in the last clip, but we are getting closer and closer, bro. There's no way anyone has ever built a car like this, Trap, in this amount of time.
Nah,
Think about it. Really, really think about it. Like, if we had the parts here, we can turn this car on tomorrow. But all the detail that's going into it in this amount of time, it's
Less
impossible.
than 60 days ago, this car was still automatic and silver.
Yeah, it was driving automatic less than 60 days ago. Painted, color change.
Killer in here.
There's a killer in here. Oh man, what a day. Alright guys, I'm out of here, man. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Kobe is coming along. He's alive and well, almost alive and well. And yeah, just more work tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna start working on the wire harness. We're gonna clean it up. We bought a brand new RSX Type S 02 to 04 wire harness. We're gonna take off some of the stuff we don't need. We're gonna, hopefully I have a charge harness in my PO box. I could pick that up. And we still have to figure out what computer to get, Trappy.
I'm leaning on AEM.
Yeah, I think I like the V2. Why not? We don't need to find a core. We just get the V2. Yeah, as always, man, put your notifications on, your bells up there. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep gunning.